What's up guys, Vikas here from Delaray Racing Developments and Goldwagon Delaray. You are currently watching our series 2021 race upgrades, which include sequential gearbox upgrades, sequential shifter, also front suspension rebuild. If you like what you see, please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also go and like our Facebook pages on both companies, and let's get on with the build. So we took our Golf 5 GTI 5x112 PCD discs and we re-PCD them to 5x100 PCD discs to suit our S3 hubs. All we did is we just slotted these holes a little bit wider on the CNC to perfection. One of the main things what we didn't do is we didn't want to do the holes in between the other holes because we would have just weakened the disc more. But with doing it this way, we're keeping it safe. One step forward, 4 steps back. Currently we have a bit of an issue. After switching to the Golf 5 GTI discs with a deeper offset to clear the calipers, now we are touching the ball joint. The situation is we're going to have to make, okay, it's only touching by about 1.5 millimeters, which we need to space the disc out. So what we're going to do, we made these bearing holders for the Golf 4 setup for the 7R carriers, and we're basically going to space the whole bearing 5 mils out. So we're going to make new ones of these, which will allow us to space the bearings 5 mils up, which will give us a nice air gap onto the ball joint, and we will be perfect on that. So yeah, one step forward, moving backwards, but slowly but surely finding ways of doing it better, and also heading forward slowly. We managed today to also get a caliper sandblasted. We removed all the Bremo and all the other stuff off it, clean them up nicely, so we're going to paint them nice red. Then go in my comments, what must I put onto these calipers? We can obviously put Bremo back on here, we can put VW Motorsport on here, we can put CADDY 96 on there. Give me some ideas. Let's post it in the comments and let's see. Maybe we've got a few good ideas coming through what we can engrave onto these calipers.
This is the process we need to follow to manufacture the upper strut plates. We first need to pre-drill all the holes, and then we use a 7mm rougher to slot out the part. The whole process takes roughly around about 10 minutes. If we use a laser, it will be a lot quicker.
Number 2 is currently cutting. We already pre-drilled on the CNC all the holes for the entry. Upper shock mount profiling done. We've done this with a CNC mill. Ideally you would like to do this with a CNC laser, but we don't have the 5 days waiting period to get one of those done. Number 1 is done. So the biggest progress today was made in the engine bay, where our shock top towers we have dropped down by 40 millimeters. We actually machined these 5mm plates to fit into these. We still need to obviously give them full welds. One of the biggest headaches today was actually machining these things. I'm an aluminium specialist on the CNC. I'm not a steel specialist. I'm not really tooled up for steel, so it was a headache. I actually broke 2 mill bits and so yeah. But done. They're perfect. They fit snugly. And tomorrow we'll get the degree finder out. We'll get a perfect degree on them. Still shave and grind a bit away, and get them perfectly like they should be, and equal to each other. I don't want a car that's sitting skew. We're setting this car for track, not for roads, so we're going to work on that. Then we're going to have to figure out the strut brace across as well. Obviously we're going to put some more reinforcements to make sure it's very, very strong. So that's it for today, guys. If you like what you see, if you like the project, if you want to see more of the product, more things of this vehicle, let me know in the comments. I'll maybe do some quick touch videos on a few things that's been done to it. And have a lovely day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow again. Go and hit the subscribe button, guys, please.